Hello. Today let's look at how to create lists in Excel. So we are using months, days and colors. So if you want to generate month, you can type the first month, then you drag here. So let's group then the days. Let's take maybe Monday, then press enter. Then you click here and drag. Mhm. But here we are creating the list under for colors. So you click on file. Some of you don't have more, but you see option. So you click on options, and the option you click on advanced. Then you scroll down and look for general. So under general, come down here. Create list for use in sort and fill sequence. So you click on edit custom list. So then make sure you select new list. Then you come here and type maybe the colors you want. Then red, maybe green, blue, and yellow. So you can type the colors that you want. And let's start last one. So when you are done, make sure you highlight everything. Then you click on add. Then you click OK. Then you click OK here. So when you come here, you can type the first color red, you press enter, then you drag it down. You see that it will automatically list the colors you type. Thank you.